Good afternoon, guys. This might be the quickest ever. Let's see how we can get through this super fast. We are not going to do a drawing today. I just mailed out the last 2 weeks. It's hard to get to the post office. So all of those are gone. We're going to take a break from that, and then we'll do a drawing next week. All right, couple things important. Same as last week, the TGAs, I've gotten lots. I'm sure Mrs. Burdick has as well. They are due by tomorrow, the end of the day. So the 5th day of the month, the end of the day, 5 o'clock. If you could get those into your teacher, one math, one ELA, emailed to your teacher. And then our next one will not be until March 5th, the week of March 5th. We will let you know soon exactly what day and when to look in your Class Connect for that. So that will be our next one. It will not be emailed to us. It'll be a live session. All right. Book it. I've gotten a handful that I just mailed today. And then I'm sure Miss Burdick has as well. But if you would like to still send it, we will accept it the next couple days. So if you have your Book It logs completed, you can send those in for your pizza coupon. Our live sessions are there. If you have any questions on those, let us know. Okay, the only other thing is just a reminder, we are off on the 18th. We don't have live sessions. We don't have new lessons on the pacing chart, but you can always work if you have missed any lessons. If you are ever wondering how many lessons, you should know exactly from the pacing chart, but if you ever need help with that, please let us know. We've started to send out exactly how many lessons are behind and referring people to our FAST team so they're able to get caught up, because we want all of our students to finish their grade level material and be ready for that next grade. Oh, all right. So let's see if I can open this a little bit. Our next face-to-face is next Friday, not this coming, but the following Friday, the 15th. It is bowling. I'm kind of excited about this one. I'll be at the Shawnee one, hopefully in the spring. I'll get to a Wichita face-to-face so I can say hello to all of our Wichita families. I will put the link in the email. If you'd like to RSVP, let us know that you're going to be there. You will pay for your bowling, and maybe if you want to have a snack or anything like that. And even if you don't bowl, just come hang out and say hello to some friends. So hopefully you can make it to that. Okay, I think that's it. That's all I have on my list. Don't forget to go back and do your survey. The secret word today is going to be sun. There hasn't been a whole lot of it today, but it is finally popping out, so I'm excited about that. Secret word, sun. Have a wonderful week, and don't forget to reach out if you need anything. Bye, guys.